Ringo here. Just doing an oil change on the Road Glide. I'm just using the standard oil. So this is the oil change since the rebuild's been done. And I just wanted to show you guys something. So I'll probably put my glasses back on because I don't know if this will be picked up on the camera at all, but I don't know if you can see these little metal filings here that come off the sump plug. There's still a few on there too, so imperative that change the oil. So I've done about 1500 k's since the build. I'm still debating whether or not to do the dyno, because the 178 is just so, wants to rip your arms off. It's actually a bit scary how much power this thing has now. And you know, between that 1500 to 3000 revs, it's still a 117. And then once you hit 3.5 or probably 3.2 on the revs with the 259E cam, wham, you're off, and it's really hard to hold on to. But I love it. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. This is something I really, really love. So yeah, just waiting for the oil to drain out now. Got Jojo around here. Jojo, come here. Jojo the dog. Come here, Jojo. Come here. I don't know if you can see Jojo. Here he is. Where is he? Jojo. There he is. By the way, I'm using the bin as a tripod. Hey, Jojo. He's a good boy. Hey, he's a good boy. Yes, this is Jojo the Wonder Dog. But yeah, we're doing the oil change, having a bit of fun in the garage. Just draining out the main sump at the moment, and then we'll drain out, take off the filter, replace the filter, fill it back up with oil, and take it out for a spin. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne too, by the way. We've got 16, 17 degrees. 6 degrees this morning. It was a bit cold. Oh, the local hounds are going mad. There's something going on, some controversy with local dogs. But anyway, yeah, we've got some good rides coming up later in the year. We're heading up to Walcher. Liz and I will be doing some videos up there. I don't know if you've already seen the videos we've done. We're going to the National Hog Rally up there. We're going to Harriettville. That's a great weekend. Paul Napoli, one of the best road captains going around for the hog, organises a fantastic weekend. So we'll do a video of that as well. And we're also going to head up to Hall's Gap. So we'll do some video up there, get the drone out, give some good footage up there. Jojo's wondering what the dog's barking about. But yeah, now, big question to ask. Standard oil versus Sim 3. Mate, I know so many vlogs, blogs, whatever, light up like Christmas trees when you mention these things. I always recommend a motor mechanic who built this just to run standard oil in it. I don't know. Post your comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Anyway, that's it for me. See ya.